In this video, we will show you the most easiest way to import contacts from Gmail ID to your iPhone. For this, do one thing, easiest way, just open settings and here scroll down and open apps. And here go ahead and search for contacts option. Once you do it, now the next step. So here if you see the first option in the contacts, you will see the contact accounts, right? Just go ahead and tap on that. Once you do it, here you will see your existing accounts like your iCloud. And now if you want to import the Gmail ID contacts, just go ahead, tap on option called add account. And here there is an option called Google. Just go ahead and tap on that. And here just sign in with the same Gmail ID from where you want to import the contacts. Just do that. Once you do it, automatically that Gmail ID will be added under the contacts. Once you add your Gmail ID to the contacts account, here if you see the same ID will be listed here. Just go ahead and open that. And in that, and make sure that the contacts is enabled. Once you do it, automatically in your contacts, whatever contacts are linked to a particular Gmail ID will be listed here. Just go ahead, open the contacts, go to list, and here you see automatically all your contacts will start appearing here under this Gmail ID, right? Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.